Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will cook another home cook recipe. So this recipe, children will love it because this is a burger steak. So let's start. But before we start, please subscribe into my channel by clicking the subscribe button below, and at the same time click the bell so you will be updated in my next video. So let's start. I have here with me my ingredients. So first one is a 250 grams of ground beef. I have minced garlic. I have minced onion. I also have chopped onion for our mushroom gravy. I have this all-purpose flour. So I'm going to use this one to thicken our gravy later. Of course, we have our mushroom. So this one is a fresh mushroom. You can have an option to buy those in can, but this is the only thing that I can buy from the market, so I buy this, and then I already chop into pieces for our mushroom gravy later. Also, I will be using ground pepper, and I have a soy sauce for our gravy also later. So let's start by mixing our burger. Okay. So first, let's put our garlic. So you can put as many garlic as you like, but children doesn't really like much more of a garlic flavor, so it's up to you whether you want to add more garlic or not. So I will also put my onion and pepper. And then let's mix it. We also put a bit of our soy sauce. So the soy sauce, you can use either soy sauce or oyster sauce, it's up to you. Let's mix it. So, and also we will be adding 1 egg so that it will help to mold our burger. So your option is either egg or flour. I use egg. Okay, now our burger patty is ready. Now let's start to preheat our pan so we can cook our patty. Okay? So guys, our burger patty, after you mix it together, set aside it for a while. Okay guys, our patty is ready. It's already been mixed. I already started to preheat my pan so that we can start cooking our burger patty. Let's add a little bit of oil. Okay guys, so our patty is ready. Now at the same time, okay, on the same pan, now we can cook our gravy. Let's put our garlic. And then we add our onion. So guys, I did not add water in my mushroom while I'm sauteing it because as you can see, after I put some of the soy sauce, the mushroom produces its own water, and then let's just saute it. Okay guys, our mushroom is cooked. Now we can add our... Okay, so this is the flour I already diluted in water. We will use this one to thickening our sauce. Okay guys, our mushroom gravy is ready. Now we start with our plating. Okay guys, so I have here with me is 2 cups of rice. Now this will be our twist. I will start to do my plating. See whether you will like it. So let's start. So guys, now here's our burger steak. Okay guys, so here is our burger steak. It's already ready. Now we can start to eat. Let's eat. So guys, let's eat. So here's it, our burger steak. Let's try it. So nice. Get them some rice. Let's eat burger steak. My twist. So again, hopefully you enjoy and you learn something about my home cook recipe. I know the kids will love this because it's a burger steak. So it's only to you guys whether what will be your twist or what you'll be adding on to this burger steak so it will be taste better. So thank you for watching. Again, don't forget to click the subscribe button below, and also don't forget to click the bell so you will be updated in my next video. So guys, thank you again and have a pleasant day. Thank you for watching Seham TV.